Join me, Dr. Nakia, for Season 3. That's right, Season 3 of the Edufaith Essentials podcast. For our Edufaith inspirational story, we will highlight some Metro Atlanta hospital homebound teachers with heart. For our dates to remember, we will explore dates in September that highlight inclusion and diversity. For breaking news, we will highlight stories from the summer released from the U.S. Department of Education's Office of Special Education Programs and Department of Education's Health and Human Services. News includes state performance plans, assistance for military families, and information to address gaps of services for deaf and hard of hearing infants and toddlers. For Essential Knowledge, we're going to kick off Season 3 with our Back to School episode. We will reflect and I will highlight 5 tips for educators, parents, and leaders as we start the 24-25 school year. So grab a pencil and join me, Dr. Nakia, for the Edufaith Essentials podcast. The Edufaith Essentials podcast is now streaming on all streaming platforms and on the Edufaith Essentials YouTube page. Thank you for listening and get essential.